In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export audio only, MP3WAV, in Media Encoder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any video or audio source into a clean audio file, ready for podcasts, voiceovers, or music delivery. First, open Adobe Media Encoder. Take your video or audio file and drag it straight into the Queue panel. If it's a video, don't worry, Media Encoder can extract just the audio. You'll see your item listed with columns for format, preset, output file, and status. Next, choose an audio-only format. In the queue, click the Format drop-down next to your item. Select the kind of file you want to create. MP3 is compressed and keeps the file size small, great for distribution and streaming. WAV is uncompressed and preserves full quality, ideal for editing, mastering, or archiving. You'll also see options like AAC or AIFF if those better fit your workflow or platform requirements. Now let's fine-tune it. Click the preset name or the format text to open the export settings window. In here, go to the Video tab first and uncheck Export Video. That switch ensures you're exporting audio only and not generating a blank video track by accident. Then move to the Audio tab. Choose the appropriate audio codec for your format. Set your sample rate. 48 kHz is standard for video, while 44.1 kHz is common for music. Pick a bitrate that matches your needs. For MP3, 192 to 320 kbps delivers good to excellent quality. For WAV, you're dealing with uncompressed audio, so quality is already maximum. Set channels to stereo if your source is stereo. For voice-only content, mono can save space without hurting clarity. Back in the queue, set where the file will go. Click the output file path. This is the blue text next to your item. Choose a destination folder, name your file clearly, and keep the extension that matches your chosen format. Click Save so Media Encoder knows where to write the final audio. When everything looks good, start the export by clicking the green Start Queue button at the top right. You'll see a progress bar, and once it finishes, your audio file will be in the location you chose. If the output isn't what you expected, double-check that Export Video is unchecked and that the Audio tab settings match your needs. That's it. You've exported audio only from Media Encoder, with the format and quality that fit your project.